What a night it was. Around 3 in the morning it started to blow like hell. The tent was shaking, and our tent is literally in the middle of a puddle. This place is called Laki. Laki. Unfortunately, we are not really lucky. This mountain range behind us goes over several 30 or 40 kilometers, and there's an alignment of volcano craters. It's nice because it's covered with snow. We saw this mountain range. It was beautifully lit by the sun with low-hanging black clouds. I just had already the picture in my mind. And unfortunately, as we arrived a few kilometers from this point, it started to snow, and now there's some fog coming in. This is what can happen sometimes when you are in the wilderness, in remote places, in the nature. We had some beautiful light on the subject until the moment we arrived. How many times did we stop the car and the light switched off? Finally, after hours waiting for the snow to stop, there was a small gap in the sky, cleared. We ran up that hill. I got a decent shot, but nothing great, because there was absolutely no light. And I thought with all the snow, it will shape all the volcanoes. And it was not really the case. We came down the hill and the sun started to shine, just like a night glimpse for us. What a beautiful day. That's what I said when we arrived the first day. And now that almost our trip is over, we have again a beautiful day. On the second day of our trip, the weather changed and we were running after some good light for almost 2 weeks. So today I decided to go to a place where overcast weather is just perfect. But as you can see, the sky is totally blue, not a single cloud. The canyon behind is just lit horrible. That's just the worst light that you can get for photographing a canyon, because of the harsh contrast between the highlights and the shadows. As we waited several hours every single day in the hope to get some good light, today it's a bit funny, but we're gonna have to wait for a cloud to cover the sun to get diffused light in the canyon and finally get the camera out.